We're trying to take a picture of the goose with the white head.
The mutant goose.
The mutant goose. Walk slower.
It's walking fast.
Well, he'll slow down if you slow down. Probably. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
He's cornered it.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Nice kitty. Where are you going?
Stop.
Random freak of nature?
I haven't gotten a picture yet. Just doo-doo.
Ew. Doo-doo.
It's football fucked up.
Yeah, I know the feeling. Matter of fact, I have a video about that.
This looks like a pigeon on my tree. Corner it off that way so it comes back towards me.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Get the shit. It's like the coolest goose I've ever seen.
You can't hide. You have a white head. We'll know which goose you are. I'm totally walking in poo.
No, whatever.
Yeah.
Where is it? What?
Just one close-up, please, Mr. Goose.
Alright, I think I get that. My pictures suck. Stop videotaping.